Hi everyone, my name is Richard Monson-Haefel. Welcome to my course, Java Application Development with Tomcat. I am a software engineer with more than 25 years of experience developing Java and Java Enterprise applications. This course is a quick introduction to developing Java web applications for Tomcat using the Servlet API and Java Server Pages. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include an overview of the HTTP 1.1 protocol and how HTTP is processed by Tomcat, the Servlet API including coverage of filters and listeners, Java Server Pages including the Java Standard Tag Library, packaging Java web application into WAR files, and hot deploying them on Tomcat. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid foundation to get started developing Java web applications and deploying them on Tomcat. From here, continue learning of Java web development in Tomcat by taking the course Tomcat for Java Development, which is designed to be used with this course to teach you how to run, configure, troubleshoot, and secure Tomcat in development. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about servlets and JSPs with the Java Application Development with Tomcat course at Pluralsight.